Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Monday, July 11th, 06:51 a.m. New York time. Good morning. Start a new week. Discussing here day trading. I am in a position. So let me show you this. First, this is a desktop trading platform called Thinkorswim. It's looking at a chart of the S&P 500 futures, which is a derivative, and the candles are 4-hour candle bars. This is a pre-market day trading, pre-market from the cash market. The cash market is 09:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. The stock exchange, the U.S. stock exchange. So we're looking here at the futures, which is another U.S. exchange, which trades from 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. New York time. That's right. That's 1 hour. That's closed. And in the futures exchange, they also offer options. So I am in a bull put spread with options that expire today. 0 DTE. That's a lot of information I gave you. I am also, because I'm bullish bias in a bullish position, my strike I selected was a delta of 14. That's below one standard deviation. If you don't know what one standard deviation is, well, I explain what deviations are in the past and present. Yep. Okay, let's get onto the chart now. Top down real fast. Look at this. Monthly candles, current candle, inside candle, prior candle, wick forming on the bottom, showing bullish bias. Weekly chart. Well, last week, inside candle, prior one too. Big wicks on the bottom, bullish bias consolidation down here, and another staircase pattern higher high with longer wicks on the bottom, bullish bias. And look at that. Since overnight, we're still inside that prior candle. This current candle started at 6 p.m. last night. Let's go to the daily. Look at the daily. Red candle, lower low, lower high, has a tail former on the bottom. Again, impulse move up, retracement. That retracement, long wick on the bottom, and here we are, retracement of that one with a wick forming there. So again, I'm still in bullish bias. Let's go to the 4 hours, zoom in. Supply zones red, green, demand zones. We have a current Elliott wave, several of them for the third phase. So third phase, between 3 and 5, I look for often reversals. Yep. So we have a retracement. It's just a retracement till it's done. And overnight, this first yellow inside candle, this small one, well, that was solid body equivalent to a red. And I said, I'm sitting on hands. I'm still bullish bias, but I'm sitting on hands because I would wait till we come into this demand zone for potential trade or going to the supply zone as potential trade. Either way. Thank goodness I did, because you're seeing a moment from here. That one completed. And from the completion of this one at 9 p.m., broke below, it went lower, lower. Thank goodness. I waited. Huge sell-off. And when that sell-off, I was thinking, nope, I'm still going to sit on my hands and wait. Thank goodness I did. Because that next 4-hour candle, lower low, lower high. And the next candle formed a good bullish trigger, bullish pin bar, the bottom of a trend. Yep. So at 5 p.m., because that's when my alarm went off, because I get up daily at 5 a.m. Good training, 0500, good training. At least it's not like it used to be, 0400. Good training. And then bullish. So let me show you something. Quarters, 38.75, significant number. And my short strike currently, like I said, it was 14 delta, but the physical strike is 38.25 quarters. So that was my bullish pin bar. I like that. That was my entry signal. And I went enter here after it was formed. So you can see my short strike is all the way down here. If the stock goes sideways or up or down, I'm still a happy camper, as long as it stays above my short strike and doesn't test my short strike, 38.25. If I were, this option expires today at 5 p.m. New York time. If I stay in there, and if it stays above my short strike, I make the max profit, but I'm not staying in there. I have a working order to close 50% right now. I might adjust it, close sooner, or take a little bit more gain. So as this goes higher prices, that premium will melt away in the option, giving me more potential gains, but it's not a gain, it's not a profit until you close it. Yeah. And let's go look at this on the 4 hour. The 1 hour. Same drawings, but we're looking at the 1 hour. There's my entry right there. And well, let's look here first. You can see those long wicks in those 4 hours. Did a retracement of this demand zone, that red candle retracement, and broke below it on that 4 hour, broke below it, which is a swing low, rejected and went above. That's good. That's, again, other things I'll look for. Now looking at the 1 hour, look at that. We had almost like a tweezer bottoms there, wicks, trend reversal, nice. Yeah, if I got in 1 hour earlier, it would have been even better. But again, got to sleep sometime. So see what happens the rest of the day, how this goes. But again, this is pre-market using the futures, financial instruments, derivatives, options, futures. There are derivatives, different financial exchanges, different trading hours than the equity hour. That's a beautiful thing when you have the opportunity to trade these financial instruments overnight, pre-market. Many thanks for watching.